In this module, we'll be discussing environmental product declarations and product category rules. The Environmental Product Declaration, or EPD, is a material-specific form of carbon accounting that quantifies environmental data for a product using a predetermined set of standards. At a minimum, this documentation needs to report on the cradle-to-gate portion of a material's lifespan. This is the product stage of an LCA, which includes transport and building material manufacturing. However, EPD scopes can vary, as some account for the construction or even use phases of a material's lifespan. EPDs can follow one of two formats in what they represent. Industry-wide declarations use data from multiple manufacturers to come up with emissions values representative of the industry's use of that product on average. Industry EPDs can be used as a reference point against more specific product EPDs, or simply as a fill-in estimate for missing documentation on an exact material in use. Product-specific EPDs, on the other hand, provide emissions data for a single manufacturer's product. These can be compared against other product EPDs to choose a material with lower emissions, or against industry EPDs to see where one manufacturer lines up against the industry at large. The strength of these EPDs and their main use in construction lies in their comparability. To be able to compare different products, their EPDs must be restricted to the same timescale and must follow the same product category rules, or PCRs. PCR guidelines provide a framework for developing EPDs by determining what information should be gathered and how that information should be evaluated. Relying on collaborative industry efforts, PCRs are defined based on the standards of the groups that create them, such as NSF International or NAPA. Before implementation, these rules are reviewed by a third party for logic and compliance with relevant standards. Generally, a complete set of product category rules includes goal, scope, and functional units, as well as data collection guidelines and time horizon of reporting. In addition, it establishes the environmental impact indicators to be reported in an EPD, such as global warming potential.